Hello my dear children, welcome to our craft class. Today we are going to do very beautiful paper cutting activity using very few things. Today we'll be using origami paper, one pastry sheet. This I have, this one silver paper sheet I have, so it's optional. If you have, you can use this, and we need to have this in the size of the origami paper. See, you can see, otherwise this sheet comes in a little bigger size, so I had cut a piece out of it just in the size of origami paper. So I'll show you 2-3 different methods of cutting this origami paper, and we will be making few cutouts like this. This is the base I have used with the contrast origami paper. Like I have done the cutting on the orange paper and pasted at the back this pink color. Same way I'll show you how to do with the pastry sheet and with this silver paper, and few different techniques I will tell you how to do this cutting part. So let's start. First we need the origami paper. We'll take this origami paper, fold it, 2-3 different folds I can explain you, and every time every fold will give you different shapes and very interesting cuttings. I am sure about that you will be definitely enjoying it. So this is the first fold I am going to start with. Origami paper is square in shape, everybody knows that, and you will fold. If you have this colored sheet one side and white other side, so you will start like this. Colored paper will go inside. First we will fold first triangle, second, third, and you will keep it like this. Now you will take your pencil. Since we are doing this for the first time, I want all of you to just draw the design first with the pencil, and then you do the cutting part. I'm keeping it this way, and then we will have drawn this petal shape here. We'll start with the simple ones. Okay, and one more time you can fold it, and one long but thin petal shape you will cut here. Now we'll start with the cutting part. First we will do this center one only. Make sure that your scissor should be sharper, because we will be working it with the multiple layers. So if your scissor is not sharp, you will find it difficult to cut this all layers. And keep your dustbin handy, so that all these small paper bits doesn't go around. See, you can see I have cut this way. One more small cut I can have. I will cut a little triangle. Whichever cuts, whichever shapes you will cut, it will come out very nice. But I will suggest you, if you try it with the newspaper first. Few beginning shapes you can try with newspaper, and then you can go with this origami paper. Why to waste the paper, no? So it's like this. As you can see, so many of this cuttings will come out. So it will be good if you will keep your dustbin or any of this carry bag around, just to avoid the mess on your table or on the floor. So make sure that you doesn't cut the full piece. Very small tiny cuttings we need. And don't pull it. If it is not cut, then you can go again and then cut it. If we will pull it, sometimes this edge doesn't come that sharp. So now it's time to open it. While opening, you should be very careful, because since we have done so many cuttings on it, the paper becomes delicate. Otherwise also this paper is a delicate one. So one more cutting I'll do this tip also, little from the tip I'll cut. And here we go, this way. So you can see, as I've told you, that we will be using this paper. You can place your cutting this way on it. So how to paste on it? Just take your sheet opposite, and there's no need to put so much of Fevicol, just little dots. Since this paper is very delicate and we have done all the cutting work on it, then see, I have also done this mistake here. No problem, we'll be pasting it on the base, so it will be pasted. Now we will lift it gently, turn it off, and then we will paste it on our sheet this way. Yes. Dab. Now after cutting this, now it's turn to make the shape. There is two ways. Either you leave little of this borders outside and cut it gently, or you exactly cut it with the origami cut design. This is very fun to do activity. Every time you fold, you create this some design on the sheet, you will get beautiful designs of the origami. We'll do at least 2-3 cuttings here also. So this is the first way, as I have explained you earlier. See, this one is looking more glossy and beautiful than this. This sheet is very easily available on all the stationeries, very easily available, and so many different colors is available in this sheet. So let's make one another design also. Now I have this blue sheet to paste on, so I'll take accordingly. I'll take yellow so that it goes with the combination. Now, earlier we have folded the triangle, now we will do it with the square. First, second, and after doing it 2 times, we'll fold it this way. 3 and 4. Now again. Make sure children see I have drawn this one, and then don't start exactly with the point of this. Just leave some of the space. If you will not leave some of the space, then from here the paper will cut entirely. That we don't need. So you will leave some of the space here. Cutting so many layers all together needs little effort also, so make sure that you are cutting it in the right way. Every time when you will cut, you will get the different design. So if you find that something can be done more after opening, then also you can gently fold the same way as you have done earlier. Just go with the creases. This way. And when you will open, you will get the nice designs out of it. Make sure that you are opening it very gently, so that your paper doesn't tear. So it's like this. Now we have got a beautiful circle, and same way we will be pasting it this side. It depends how much big or delicate is your design. Like this is a little delicate one, so we need to put nice Fevicol so that it's all the edges should get pasted. So children, it's your choice if you want to do it pasted with the origami paper, with the pastry sheet, or with the silver sheet. Now see, like here we have done exactly with the cutting shape. Here we have done the borders, and with this we can just cut it along with it. And now one more fun to do thing we can do here, something creative. Like we have got this cuttings with us. Like I've got the silver cuttings. Keep it together this way, and we can cut circles out of it. There is no limit to the creativity. You can just think over and create any beautiful thing, any beautiful thing. Got few circles like this, so I can put the circle here in the center. This way, and here also. So, and one, you can add anything on this, like these small petal shape cuttings also we have got from our previous cuttings. This also we can paste. This was nothing, just the cuttings of the previous shapes we had used. So you can do this way also. One more we need. So I can always cut it again. What it needs is little patience and creativity. That's it. All the things you are making, just make it with the heart. Like this. I hope all of you enjoyed. Today we have made these 3 kinds of paper origami paper work, one with all the different bases, and so this you will make, and definitely I'll be looking forward for your designs. Happy crafting, children.